Games that claim to pay real money should clearly explain how rewards are earned, because a transparent reward system is easier to evaluate than a game that makes vague payment promises. By the end, you'll know how to check whether a money-making game is worth your time, what signs show a fair reward system, and what to review before trying any app that offers cash rewards. The first thing to check is how the game explains its earning system. A reliable reward game should tell you what actions generate rewards, how progress is tracked, and what steps are required before you can redeem anything. Many reward games use points, levels, challenges, or completed activities as the way users build rewards. This means the important detail is not just how much a game claims to pay, but how realistic the requirements are. The second thing to check is transparency. A game should clearly explain its reward options, payout methods, and any rules connected to withdrawals. If an app hides important details until after you spend time playing, that is a warning sign. You should also check how the game handles progress. A trustworthy app should show your completed tasks, earned rewards, or account balance clearly. This makes it easier to confirm that your activity is being recorded properly. Another factor is user feedback. Reviews can help you identify common issues with reward tracking, account problems, or payment experiences. Look for repeated patterns instead of judging an app from one comment. Privacy also matters when testing reward games. Review the permissions the game requests and avoid apps that ask for access unrelated to gameplay or rewards. A practical way to test these apps is to start with a short trial period. Play enough to understand how rewards are earned, check whether progress updates correctly, and review the redemption process before spending more time. Games that pay real money are usually built around a reward system, not a guaranteed income source. The best choice is a game you would enjoy, even without the reward, because the payout is an extra benefit. Before choosing a money-making game, check 3 things: the earning rules, the reward redemption process, and the information the app requires. These details help separate transparent apps from disappointing ones. If this guide helped you understand how reward games work, subscribe for more practical reviews of earning apps and online tools.